There you go. So this is, I'm just videoing one of my brother's, what do you call this? Eagle that he collected, one of his collections. This is about nearly a meter high actually, isn't it?
Yeah.
And about 12, 18, 20 inches in the wings. I cannot do it properly. See? So that's it. He loved eagles. He gifted me with a small figurine of white eagle because he said it's for good luck
And power.
and power. No wonder why I'm very powerful. There, and now I'm gonna take a picture of it. I like it. The more